back to school bus.
Today is the day, it's the first day of school. So many new things to learn and do. I'm so excited and nervous too, but it will be okay on my first day of school. Do you have your backpack?
Yes, I do.
Do you have your shoes?
Yes, I do.
Do you have your lunch?
Yes, I do.
Do you have your teddy?
Yes, I do.
Today is the day, it's the first day of school. So many new things to learn and do. I'm so excited but nervous too, but it will be okay. Greet your teacher.
Yes, I will.
Will you make new friends?
Yes, I will.
Will you play some games?
Yes, I will.
Will you learn new things?
Yes, I will.
Em mo. Hey, hiutin ka sana long oil law lutsit.
Today is the day, it's the
Bakit
first
doang
day of
mo?
school. So many new things to
Nakumkumay ka lang, oh.
learn and do. I'm so excited but nervous too, but it will be okay on my first day of school. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Are you nervous?
Yes,
Bakit
I
lang mo?
am.
Are you smiling?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Today is the day, it's the first day of school. So many new things to learn and do. I'm so excited but nervous too, but it will be okay on my first day of school. Did you find your copy?
Yes, I did.
Did you hang your backpack?
Ang mga
Yes,
baby bus
I
law.
did.
Did you give a hug?
Ang mga baby bus.
Yes, I did.
Did you say
Yan
goodbye?
na, utin na. Mwah.